Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be laughing some more, I hope. And we're going to be reacting to 30 minutes of Matt Rife stand-up comedy shorts compilation number 14 by Winter Vibes. Make sure to go like and watch their video. The link will be in the description, of course. And let me know in the comments anything else y'all want me to react to. Why did I say it like that? Anything else you want me to react to. It can be stand-up comedy, it could be anything horror related, literally anything you can think of, it don't matter. And I'll react to it. And with that all being said, I guess we'll get into it in 3, 2, 1.
You guys are dressed like the Wiggles, you know that, right? Like in 50 Shades of Sacramento. You guys are all different. Did you purposely dress in different colors? I saw my face on the shirt. That was the least concerning part of the entire organization. It was really the color coordination is what's really impressive. Yellow, red, kind of pinkish, and then green. Nice. Those photos are trademarked though, and I'm gonna need $35,000.
Yeah, he's drinking that Fiji water.
We're gonna have to press charges. And you guys look like you have the money.
I ain't even gonna lie, I'm not a huge fan of Fiji water.
I'm following through for sure. I'm sorry, I've just never met a pallet of pussy before. This is... I feel like I'm trying to fuck in like the paint section of Home Depot.
Taking a shade.
State or DC? Is there Bigfoot up there? You haven't found him yet? Keep looking. And make him wear the blue blazer when you find him. I can't get over the Wiggles design.
The Wiggles design. Jesus Christ.
What's your guys' song? Good pussy. Yummy, yummy. Good pussy. Yeah. Squish it. I don't know. I don't know the rest of the fucking songs, dude. Are you guys all single? Sort of. Only in Sacramento or what? What's that? Is it going on TikTok?
Sketchy as hell.
It depends on how much of a disaster your lives are. I don't know. You're single.
I am.
What about you?
I'm married, but I'm available for free drinks.
Married but available for free drinks. You out of your fucking
Jesus
mind?
Christ.
You know what? It makes total sense that you're the one dressed like a red flag. That actually makes total sense.
Got her ass.
This completely checks out. Wow. Okay. So married, single, divorcing. Green flag. Look at that shit. Nice. Yeah, so and then caution, like what's your deal? You know what I mean? You're just kind of single floating around like, well, what's it yield?
Yield.
Should have left 10 minutes ago. We gotta wrap this up because I'm trying to go back to the hotel and taste the rainbow.
I just realized what he said. Trying to get some Skittles.
Texting right now.
Battle with the
You scheduling some dick? What are you doing? What's the move? You were just looking? That's worse. Who you texting right now? You were just looking at whose text? I saw the blue bubbles on there.
Damn.
Who was
Caught.
it?
You caught, lady.
Who's more important than me right now? I want to know who's number one in your life right now. Who is it? You were just looking at what? It better be pictures of me. It better be my Instagram. Show me if it was me. And bitch, don't you scroll to another app. I swear to God, if you go to another app. You want to be real? Be present.
Damn.
What is your name? Lana?
Lorna?
Lana? You're saying exactly what I'm saying. Lana. Lana? Did I not just fucking say that? Spell it. Lorna. Lorna. Not even a real name. I see why you mispronounced it. Lorna? What's your last name? The Rings?
Oh my god.
Lorna the Rings? Whatever, dude. Fucking nerds. Whatever.
That was a nerdy ass joke.
You drove 200 miles
I liked it,
to sit
though.
on your phone? Were you checking directions for the drive back? Is that what it was?
What?
What was that?
That's what I'm
That was
saying.
just 4 vowels in a row. Bro, British people just say fuck consonants, dude. Look at me and my ball. Bro, who the fuck are you people, dude? Say letters. You just dip on half the word sometimes.
Jesus Christ.
What do you do? You're a buyer?
Yeah. We've been talking about
buyers.
so many different things here.
I can't even say it because
You won't even say it? Why? Is it people? Like, what is it? What do you mean buy? How bad could it possibly be?
Bitch out here buying people. Holy shit.
She just said something that was so not a word. Aluminium? Aluminum! Die! Die! Abadacadabra! You're all dead! You're all so dead, dude! Oh, fuck y'all, man. That's not a word. Aluminium? Where are all the extra letters coming from? You're doing too much. All the aluminium. No, fuck that, guys. You're wrong. I'm thinking of the spelling of it in my head. There's no I after the M. Nope. Not gonna do this right now. You don't have to make me look stupid. Aluminum.
Damn. Damn.
Whatever, dude. Fuck you guys, dude. You get one word right, you think you're fucking hot shit. Anybody have any weed? That's gonna help me get through this like tremendously. Is weed legal in Alabama? Good, because I personally love to vape. Just regular. It's a hookah stick. It's pure nicotine. How cool are the cops? How cool are the cops gonna be? I feel like this scene in fucking Gladiator. Just fucking give me a. Why'd you let me do that? Shouldn't have done that. Thank you, officer. Appreciate you.
That was tasty,
Thank you for
bruh.
it's been a white privilege. No, you do not have a white privilege card. Let me see this. White privilege trumps everything. Wow, dude. There's a back? This card grants its bearer happiness and success because it's the color of your skin and not the choices you make that determine your abilities to be successful.
God! Holy shit!
Dog.
That was crazy!
Alright, now give me the N-word pass. Trades. Nope. Y'all thought.
A white man owns the company that's on.
Really?
That's amazing.
Well, if that isn't reparations, that's a beautiful thing right there. A black man selling white privilege. That, you know what? I love 2023. I'm actually totally okay with it. How did you know he had the card?
He do.
He pulled out the card in line. That might be the whitest thing to do.
That's amazing. What are you doing?
Hey, you ever heard of white privilege? Yeah, I know it's a thing. No, it's really a thing. You gotta know a guy. You gotta know a couple guys. You gotta know a group of guys. We all meet on Wednesdays. We all wear white. You should really come in. It's a good time.
It's literally $13 on Instagram.
13, like the amendment.
I can't.
7 months. Oh my God, it's almost here.
It's almost
It hurts,
here.
right? If you could compare it like a guy having to go through, like what do you think we would have to go through to experience something like that?
Quit showing your butt to the camera.
Anal?
I don't want to see that.
Doesn't sound that bad. I think it's a lot worse than anal. I would
Don't nibble
imagine.
me.
I think that's a different pain. I mean, you've taken a big shit.
Wild animals.
That's basically anal, you know what I mean?
What the
Every dude in here has taken a shit so big that you're like, I could be gay, dude. Like this was light work, you know what I mean? Nothing, bro.
What?
No.
Chill.
Mila and Roberto? Umberto?
Umberto.
Sure. I haven't heard that one before. Okay. What about you, Roberto?
Umberto.
What are you doing?
What is your
You're
goal?
a sheriff? For real?
Cat.
I didn't mean anything I said.
I'm chewing my earbuds.
I was just fucking around over here. You know what I mean? It's a cool name. And you've never shot anybody?
What?
Shot in somebody.
Damn.
Does that scare you about him like having to have a job like that? That's so dangerous. It does.
Yeah, I thought we I thought we were responsible for like 2 hours.
If you don't get a response
Oh my
within 2
God.
hours, you just think he's dead.
Yeah.
No, he could just be cheating. Like it's not always that serious.
True, I
It's
guess.
not always that. Y'all gotta get some more black friends, bro. I'm telling you, man. Black dudes are so fucking. Oh, y'all read a book. I got ESPN.
No, what? Hey, let go.
Y'all gotta step the fuck up, bro. Thank you. Yeah, it's beautiful. Boy, you making me scared.
Don't be scared.
Jesus Christ. Especially in the dark. I can't even fight you back there, dog. Jesus Christ. See what I mean?
Don't say it, be it.
What?
Don't say it,
What?
be it.
You ain't a nigga, but act like one.
Cat, quick hit in my face. Come
The
here.
cops. No. I didn't say it. I was given a script. I just played the part, okay? I want to thank the Academy.
Thank the Academy.
I seem frustrated. A gift maybe help? Maybe after the show. No. No. Thank you so much. What is this? Well, don't clap. It could be a bomb. We don't know.
That would be some
Don't
shit,
know,
dude.
I came to Iowa and I guess.
All I got was this t-shirt and a blowjob.
Listen, guys, I've never ended a show early before. but
That's fair.
I'm sure you would all understand if I had to wrap things up, right? There's one more thing in here. Cookies!
Oh, shit.
Are you kidding me?
I would destroy the fucking cookies, dude. The things look good.
The blowjob's gonna have a hard time beating this. It's like the perfect consistency, too. Oh my God. Thank you so much. What's your name? Christina, you are so hot. Thank you so much. Oh my God.
She is super pretty.
You're a grandma?
What are you doing? Why are you trying to get in my face?
Let's put that shower chair to use. There's already
The
plastic
shower
on the
chair,
furniture.
no
Let's make
way.
a mess, you know? How old are you? Say it. Say it. This is dirty talk to me. Come on.
Dirty talk.
40, 45? Are you serious? Are you from here? Really? We gotta get you out of here. We gotta get you the fuck out of here. Minneapolis at least. Let's just get you out. Let's just get you down the road. You're not married or anything? You bunch of fucking idiots. Oh my God, you local morons not marrying this beautiful woman who makes great cookies. Stupid. I'm so sorry.
Stupid.
What, are you divorced? How long were you married for? 16 years? I'm so sorry. How many kids do you have? 4. Oh, what? That's enough though, right?
That's enough.
You have your tubes tied? You do? I'm gonna fucking move to Des Moines. Those are your sisters? You have 3 sisters? 9? What's it like to have such a hot older
Her
sister?
parents were fucking, dude. Jesus.
Does she know she's hot?
Christ.
Does she know that? She doesn't? Good.
Kitty. Come way over here something, please.
You're gonna be stuck here in Iowa forever.
I'm stuck here in Iowa.
Unless, well, that's gaslighting. What's that? What was it? What did you want to show me? Was it a bank statement? What was it?
Bank statement.
Your daughter?
What's-
This is your daughter? Are you serious? No, nobody else can see her, actually. I don't want Iowa to know she's out here. This is your daughter? How old is she? This is the 21-year-old? This is a very tough decision to make. You guys. I hate to put in this position. But this is in Jacksonville, Florida? I'll be down there. I think later on this year. She looks exactly like you. This is insane. Yes, she does. She's gorgeous. All right, so I'm gonna date you for the next 10 years, and then we'll trade up.
What? Trade up? That shit's wild.
Fuck, this is about to be the most uncomfortable Thanksgiving I've ever been to in my life. Damn. Yeah, because if you taste this good, it's gonna be a problem. What's your biggest fear? Losing your kids. You might find them.
You might find out.
No, that's bad. But if the one in Jacksonville goes missing, mind your business. She's in good hands.
So mind your damn business.
Got your phone? All right, let's swipe out of Instagram and see what else is in here. Now let's go through a photo album. Let's, Here's the thing. I won't open it if you just tell me what's in there.
He looks like a kid on Christmas morning.
You got a lump in your breast? You had a mammogram recently.
I'm best friends with my kids.
Mm-hmm.
And so I FaceTimed with my daughter, the hot one.
Oh, wait.
Oh, yeah, you're not gonna ask
That's
for ugly people's
crazy.
advice. Yeah, I totally get it.
So there's screenshots of her and I FaceTiming.
With just a tit out. Fuck. Cause like you know it's in the palm of your hands. Ah! Did you get the results back?
Yes.
You're okay? Need a second opinion? You sure? Text message you.
Need a second.
Text Maggie.
Is that Maggie your daughter?
FaceTime her.
Oh, shit. Look at him looking cool. and
Maggie,
shit.
that is not your angle.
Damn. Damn.
Where are you right now?
On her right after a party, dude. Come on.
Do you know how hot your mom is?
I know.
You're well aware of your competition, right? Like, you know you can't bring anybody home.
I know.
Your mom was stupid enough to give me her phone, and I was going through your guys' text history, and gross. But I'm glad she got that lump checked out, though. I checked it out. Everything's totally okay. Second opinion.
Second
Everything's
opinion.
totally all right.
See your kitties?
Sure did. Sure did. And
You're a lucky motherfucker.
I don't know. All right, Maggie, say bye to your mom real quick.
Bye, Mom. I love you.
Jesus
Bye,
Christ.
Maggie.
Okay, we're gonna end the video here because this has gone on for a while. Oh Lord. Thank you, Kitty. Anyway, that was funny as shit, dude. I enjoyed that a lot. Sounds the end. The kitten's getting in the way, but I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Make sure you recommend me some videos you want to see me react to, whether it be more comedy or horror stuff or just anything in general. Doesn't matter. And hope you guys have enjoyed. Like I said, link to her video in the description. Make sure you like it and subscribe to her channel. And I hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye.